I'm Meghna from Biological Sciences Department.
Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta Sharma, Associate Professor in BITS Pilani in Department of Humanities and Social Sciences.
There is no denying that the whole world is going through an unprecedented health crisis. However, there is some hope now in the form of vaccines.
So, in this pandemic, all of us are now very well aware that our body's defense system is important for getting rid of the pathogen, right? So, we need to have warriors inside our body that can attack the invading pathogen and prevent the infection.
Students, I hope you are safe and healthy. I have one small request for you. Grab the first opportunity to get yourself and your family vaccinated. We hope through mass vaccination, we might be able to prevent the spread of this virus.
Vaccines are the only practical way to break the chain of infections and transmission. There is some evidence now that countries that have vaccinated a sizable chunk of their population have succeeded in restoring some semblance of normalcy.
We all are going through difficult times. The increasing cases of COVID-19 in the second wave of the pandemic have taken us by storm. In such crucial times, we need to take care of ourselves and our loved ones, both physically and mentally.
We are having countries having military, air force, and navy, right? So, it is okay to just have a military, then still we are safe. But we are taking extra precaution that we can have attack from any fields. We can have from on the land, on through air, or via the ocean, right? That's why countries take precaution to have a defense system active at all places, right? So vaccine is like that. So if you vaccinate yourself, you are making your defense system active. By having healthy food and exercising it, you are making it more strong and protecting your body against the pathogen.
And I just opened an umbrella in my house. Do you know what? I'm going to tell you that this umbrella is going to act as it helps you protect, right? It doesn't guarantee that you won't really get drenched, but it certainly helps you save from the rain. Vaccines are going to do same for you.
One such way is to get vaccinated for COVID-19. Everyone should get vaccinated when they can, even if they think they are young and healthy. By doing so, we are protecting our family, as young people can be easy transmitter of coronavirus. Do not delay. Get your vaccination today.
The current pandemic requires that we use as many protective measures. Vaccine is one of them. Please register for the jabs. Please encourage your family members, your friends, your relatives as well.
I request you all that whenever possible, take the vaccines, take the vaccine doses. Do not think that I am having a healthy immune system and I'll be well protected of, right? So it's my suggestion to go for the vaccine.
Even after your both the doses of vaccination, do not forget to take all the COVID precautionary measures.
When you vaccinate, you not only protect yourself, but you take a small step in safeguarding the whole humanity. I have taken my first jab and I am awaiting my second jab now. I sincerely urge you all to vaccinate yourself at the earliest opportunity. To me, this is a moral obligation. Until then, stay calm and stay safe. Thank you.